on in some atuja production team and so atayachia and some of the debab within the Edmond or Safwa the first of the letters row exclusive part of something in the area the Barbet the commander in chief for foreigners let us someone on the answer now more ebeti kinebenka abrawa jinega me part of something in no or Barbesa Petena Kumasa my Ghana my who and some echoso I will add the foreign world me part of be an area who 8 years no sadakasia and I say future upon Yanko Ponsels Abrebia no Yahwadi Najina Hopeming na Brebia for radio no at to server 98.3 Opei Bakwa me part of show only one grokra wato or a lotto agent our report and shopping cassia and then we a child and no boys by this time no my beer mamu check me and so agent no me and sound and a sports center to me no a your short time now about 12:45 it's a tampayan system and for every coffee man no wonderful blue boy me part also here wonder and no who crata say and see the crata be about one thing so be up here one nasa room here and nas expose no and ya dia me patrol obetima ba be remu our congress e boss e that no papa ni so da one na obisa ne boss no my den obisa ne yiri say why den o friend na so kwam say what in some and see the adia ba bonte afa me ho the patrol wonderful blue boy so on ten ho say ensi no yes sir
crime in Ghana, is it the FA that takes action? So who like that? You must listen. So now say assuming say no correct, I've committed a crime which is against the laws of Ghana, and in Ghana then it supersedes it is our constitution. And chapter 5 of the constitution, fundamental human rights and freedom, article 19:1. A person charged with a criminal offense shall be given a fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court. For 15 months, who has arraigned me before a court and for what crime, and who is investigating me? Because I'm dwelling on their letter and the words they used. Sales Sanji Tiemia, he must understand that you cannot just go and take a pen and write anything. Let's go ahead. Article 19, 2C. A person charged with a criminal offense shall be presumed to be innocent until he is proved or has pleaded guilty. So assuming say all kind of cry no cry, as I sit here, I am an innocent man. So you cannot prevent me from doing anything in Ghana. As we sit here, Honorable Ayarega, he has been put before the courts by the special prosecutor, but he's still at Parliament making laws for Ghanaians. Dr. Amwa and his committee members and the lawyer that's there, are they aware? Now, you go to D. Be informed immediately in a language he understands and in detail of the nature of the offense charged. Who has done that to me? C. Be given adequate time and facilities for the preparation of his defense. Who has done that to me? And he writes that I've been implicated, I've committed a crime. Now, F. He says, be permitted to defend himself before court in person or by a lawyer of his choice. All this process, you go through. Now, if you go to 5, a person shall not be charged with or held to be guilty of a criminal offense, which is NDN. Let's go to 11. No person shall be convicted of a criminal offense unless the offense is defined and the penalty for it is prescribed in a written law. What crime have I committed? What is the description of the crime? For you to be able to prevent me from attending a congress.
Mebato coffee pen no wonderful blue boy. Where the mama can and the same year na misa na me na etai kachire me say yakwafuo ana okwapuo ya say niema esu dia na no time pa na ebeso niema na fe na adre ni wafu coffee man blue boy let her buy your moody. That's so awesome baby. Now see I no are very arrogant. Yantie coffee menu blue boy ignorant and arrogant. Sorry. We have writing this.
Let's go to the laws of Ghana, chapter 4. And the laws of Ghana shall comprise this constitution, and the constitution has described how you can deal with a criminal if you think somebody has committed a crime. B. Enactment made by or under the authority of the parliament established by constitution. C. Any orders, rules, and regulations made by persons of authority, then the existing law and the common law. And the common law of Ghana shall comprise the rules of law generally known as the common law, the rules generally known as the doctrines of equity, and the rules of customary law, including those determined by the Supreme Court of Judicature. Customary law. Now, Oko 4, 3 for the purpose of this article, customary law means the rules of law which by custom are applicable to particular communities in Ghana. Gifts are not crime in our custom. Ubi Bechawadia, it's not a crime, and customary law is accepted in Ghana. And my worry is that there is a lawyer on the nominalization committee who is supposed to know all these things. And the people on the nominalization committee is show me, and I'm happy that they know that Kofi Manu these documents our prepared is completely against the directives of FIFA, because they have told you in the letter that appointed you, and your appointment was based on the invocation of Article 8(2) of FIFA status. And I will read. They are only disgracing themselves. But maybe I just look at them and I laugh. 8(2) executive bodies of member associations may, under exceptional circumstances, be removed from office by the council in consultation with the relevant confederation and replaced by a nominalization committee for a specific period of time. Very instructive. Once you have been appointed, you are now part of football. 3. Every person and organization involved in the game of football is obliged to observe the status and regulations of FIFA as well as the principles of fair play. Are they fair to us? For 15 months, you write a letter that until they appear before ethics committee. Is that fair? And you have been appointed by FIFA, and FIFA expects you to respect this Article 8(3).
Mepacho and sama Kofi Manu Blue Boy and so area atuda na Kofi Manu so and somebody between to say anyone 1 year papa normalization committee no mo esa say Sunny Edara na no yakasama for Edema Ghana Football Association no video no PM no mepacho so yedma our CAF and FIFA je no say ensi no on be take that stance say obi bi o appear Anas Arumu ya Anas expose no number 12 no Congress no on PM ewase
status that they said you must do. They said that to review FIFA status to ensure compliance with requirements of FIFA and CAF, particularly Article 15 of the FIFA status, and Sunny Dara, he was seen in the Anas expose. It means that this letter affects him. When they have directed you to do your things to conform with standards of FIFA and CAF, Sunny Dara is working with CAF now. Or you think they don't know what they are doing? So you sit in Ghana, you just write in a letter. And you ask yourself, are you complying with the directives of FIFA where they say you must be fair? And our constitution says that everybody, under fundamental human rights, you don't presume somebody to be guilty unless he is alleged to have been guilty by a competent court of jurisdiction. So you yourself, having written this letter and knowing the circumstances under which you wrote this letter, are you complying with the status of FIFA?
Me pacho we ni answer pay a friend no Kofi Manu Blue Boy and so I took the lawyer into Fianco or say answer no to me stop your beer. Say we appear Anas Arumu ya Anas no ma 12 no so appear what they move more and not there answer me to me a stop you.
I do a video show. I said I want to do the person to provisions concerners and accreditation. Yes, the video introducing Congress. I want to go to the video on the legal basis of what you say. Because as of now, the entire committee is suspended with JFO. As of now, the entire is suspended by JFO Congress. They suspend the way they suspended Congress with me and Article 18 clause 1 to 3 of the JFO suspending. Give me name and Joshua in the Mukasa. Now, since July, what is considered COP, Coffee Party, combined, no, be a great china. Let's go to the please do that. There's no committee at the JFE. Found by a movement the need for it. Young committee, giving the better committee. The IRF is constituted and they say, they are a friend against the JFE. That is very against misconduct. And then the idea has brought the name of the FA into dispute. Then you charge the person put before the committee, allow you to come and claim himself after you have been allowed to come with his legal certainty. But when you are telling us, we are here, there's no this committee. And that's what we're telling us. So you don't write letters in the back.
We are answer pay a friend no a lawyer Kwame Tofianko and so let me add to the country as a clock crowd and so add for Ochra Congress a basso no.
At the end of the day, football class this year, they may disagree, but at the end of the day, they may agree on the way for Ghana football. Because they may disagree because we are different people and we'll continue to share our individual opinions. But at the end, everybody must think about Ghana football. I say, yeah, Ghana football. Yeah, and I say, yeah, to ensure, say, Ghana football, the person in your whether you agree to the greater good or not, at the end of the day, Ghana football, and I say,
we are and some catch you as a critical one. No, I dream of see one more a president and some of the Atuda. Now, catch my name is say elections, no mafia, be because our not mafia, no, we're ready to be facing one more.
In every human endeavor, there are disagreements, say politics, say economics, say agriculture. There are bound to be different opinions, very, very normal of every human endeavor. And then we don't tell you about different. It's normal, but at the end of the day, even disagree. So because I don't but who agree at the end of the day, you know, and we should too much worried about.
Me pacho we and some of your friend no I catch you so critical and so attitude and now upon someone also you paying back or say Ghana Football Association president, you know, yeah to Abama no Konya no on metra so say the pass a month for Ababa tell more now to say yes Konya Kasa me pay Konya Kasa me pay or see intentional month for take announce say one more interest our Ghana Football Association Konya Kasa no pa.
People are coming out officially to say that they are interested. I'm also waiting for their blueprint on how to develop Ghana football. I have said, taking an eye for a blueprint in the best amongst all. We said that whoever wins, you know, will have a solid document to work with to take Ghana football forward. But I came out as far back as 2 years ago when President Hentechi was there about my manifesto. I've still been pushing and I've been sharing my message with the football family, and they are receiving it very well.
Me patrol we and some of ya friend or nana ya one ponsa for Rangers for president or say Ghana Football Association Konya Kasa no wa person better so no Ghana Football to me akọ ayanka tatia do no friend tender me patrol e chere congress no papa na kasa kakra and so e dia fa ho
I'm not continuing to debate the president. That is an echo doing so. We sat down for 2 days Congress. Therefore, article by article, the amendment, the changes, the big crown, the tapo, the party is the weekend everything. The moment they acquire the children, the weekend comes to touch with that. Another day for Congress, we are moving in the full standard. The article by article, and I make article, the issue meeting a corner. The team among the Jumapa, the meeting in July in Africa. The day I hear that, the country when I train after Congress viewer, that person thinks you go back to the drawing board and rewrite his notes. If you have that, well, the eye of the crown, you're so personal. And then you have a casa. The eye of the Omega. If you are, there's a little mechanic, there's a little equipment. No one who feels that the 30 country will make not only the other. As a bit intro, the day of welcoming now.
We and some attaching don't know from the tender and so I to the Nana Odro Safo Sebo show consult but one of the administrators I'm breakum Chelsea Boko and a Gaka meeting me echo so our Gaka secretary to pay a boy and come on Kakra.
Yes, 6-member committee no koyen. I no sure review Agaka so no. Let's say you na custom ko. That say why the chair, say why the meeting no. I also did. I'm not getting up. Until Monday, I'm around. Yeah, marathon meeting, discussion, consultation, and I have a officer. You know, you're Gaka secretariat. Now, you're going to meet back. Gaka for a man. No man got to history. And you part me and Sebidia. Sign the family and son and your executives. Gaka executives and the Amber. Now, you're Gaka number because of beer or meeting Diano. I a Gaka member. Until now, members in that say, no, baby, you have to secretary in meeting. Now, we could be few meeting there automatically. I'll say, Fura and a chair meeting until executives to chair meeting. Now, you say, be a extra money to the Gaka de Gabi. And we pass in 10% of the boss and a money back. And I'll be at the I bet joke. And since this year, you're back under the umbrella of Gaka to hold our last.
Weyene ansama nana odro safo anso ade atuda na justice ese do me patrol say ansina appointed say wono ana Ghana Football Association Ethics Committee no wono ana ye chairman inte no so ana sam kakra efri oba ye de eto tiefo na akopiem our Ghana Football Association na wo mo secretary to amesra mo kana ne atwam yesi ji so mo de ka enti kania no ye twam awo Ghana Football Association na wo mo secretary to na Kulun Ghana Limited mo